Hey guys, look. They fit right in there. It's a match. This is not gonna match up with that servo trying to sling these tires around on this little rig. This is a 1/16 scale rig with these 110 scale big boy tires on. Leave in the comment section below what tires I pulled this, what truck I pulled the tires off of. Look at that. That is right there. I took the shocks off this, so I didn't put the shocks on, but look at that. I might ride without the shocks on. Nah, I'm just messing. But yeah, you can tell what truck I took these wheels off of. Like, subscribe, comment, the notification bell. There you have it. Too much tire for that little thing.